Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to make money online by only uploading files on the internet. So this is going to be a very powerful tutorial. I'm going to walk you through the entire steps. I'm going to reveal to you a few tips as well in order to accelerate the process to make money online only by uploading files. So before we start, if you just came across to my videos, welcome to my channel, and I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel if you are interested to learn how to make money online, because in this channel I share a lot of technique, methods and strategy on how to make money online. And also don't forget to smash the like button as well, right? So let's jump straight to our content. So the website that I talk about is called Payhip.com. Head over to Payhip.com. You're going to land over to this particular page over here. So for your information, Payhip is the easiest way to sell digital downloads and memberships. So it's particularly focused on digital downloads such as ebook or videos, course. You know, so many people are looking for that kind of information right now, especially during the pandemic COVID-19. So many people spend a lot of times at home. So they wanted to learn new skills. So you as a seller, you can provide all this sort of information to them and you can start to make money online. Alright, so this is kind of like a platform where they're going to help you to host your file. So instead of building your website on your own, so what you're gonna do instead is literally just uploading your files, your video, your ebook on payhip.com and start to make money. Alright, so it is pretty straightforward. So just upload and make money. So you might wondering, because most of you, I know that you are newbie, so you don't have any files, you don't have ebook, you don't have video files, or you have no idea how to create one, right? So I do understand your problem. That is why you need to stick with me until the end of this video, because I also going to reveal to you where you need to go in order to get all the videos file and ebooks for literally free, and just upload it back on Payhip.com and start to make money, right? So is that sounds cool to you? If that sounds cool, so help me to give a thumbs up on this video, guys. Alright, so and be sure to stick around, okay? So before you get your free account, I just want to draw your attention to this particular page over here. So this is called similarweb.com. So basically SimilarWeb is a website whereby you can get all this sort of data on any page or any website that you want, right? For example, I have it installed in my Google Chrome, so you could do it as well. Just head over to SimilarWeb and get it installed on your Google Chrome, and what you can see over here is it's literally going to show you how many visitors per month that Payhip got. So in this case, Payhip get almost 1.5 million visitors per month, guys. So that is a very huge amount of traffic or visitors per month, right? So take a look at the bounce rates over here as well. It's a very low. So on average, whenever people went into Payhip.com, they're going to spend almost 14 minutes. So 14 minutes is a very long period of time, guys. So when someone spend a lot of time, long period of time on some particular website, so chances are them to buy from you is really high. So that is a very powerful. Okay, so I just wanted to show you this data because this is very important, because just take a look at this data over here, the amount of traffic they Payhip get. So just imagine if only 0.0001% out of 1 million visitors per month buy, or maybe slightly small than that, even small than that, buy from you, you're gonna make a lot of money, guys, right? So even if one files, one video or one ebook you sell for below than $10, if you know, like 1,000 people, 100 or even 20-30 people pay you every single day, you know, buy from you every single day, you're going to make a lot of money. So this is the powerful of Payhip.com, because this is not an ordinary website. This is something very extraordinary. So you really need to leverage this website, which is Payhip, in order to help you to make money online. Okay, so now what you're gonna do next is just get started free here. So if you haven't registered already, just simply put in your email address and your password, right? So I have registered, just log in here. So now we are on my dashboard. So this is where you can see all the data, the marketing, the products. So if you want to upload a product, you can simply head over to here, which is I'm going to reveal to you in just a second. And this is also the analytic. You could also see where is the traffic coming from, and your sales is over here. Okay, so now I'm going to reveal to you where you need to go in order to get all these files. All right, So simply go to plrminds.com. Okay, so plrminds.com, you're gonna head over to this page over here. Okay, so what is PLR Minds? This is where you can get all those files, right? So regardless of whatever niche that you are interested in, you can literally get everything on here. Okay, so PLRs means, I'm going to drive your attention on this. What is PLR? So for those of you who haven't yet already know, so PLR is the acronym for private label rights, which means you can sell, modify, split out, and put your own name and links in the product. So it's literally means that, for example, like this ebook over here by Home in a foreclosure auction, right? So if you wanted to sell this product, for example, you could download the product for free, literally free, and then you could add on your own content. If you wanted to change the cover, you could also do it for literally free. And if you want to remove some content in the ebook, you could also doing it as well, and you could literally doing whatever you want with this product. This is a very powerful license. Not every product is providing this type of license, but on PLR Minds you can get everything literally for free. This is very, very powerful, right? So what you're gonna do next is just go to freebies. So go for PLR, which is a private label rights. So after that, you're going to land over to this particular page over here. So just take a look at how many ebooks are available on plrminds.com, guys. So it's insane. You can literally get everything for free, guys. So it not only has only one, and it is not only one pages, it has so many pages as well. So you could literally get how many ebooks that you want and resell it back on payhip.com and start to make money, guys. So it is really, really amazing. Okay, so you don't have to create your own ebook, you don't have to create your own video files, and you literally just head over to PLR Minds and get everything for free. So this is the ebook. So if you wanted to sell the videos, you could also do it as well. Just head over to video types of over here and software over here. Okay, so now I'm going to give you a bonus. This is a very powerful. So as when I upload this video, so many people are going to see it, and I think so many people is going to do it as well. So I don't want you to compete each other. So that is the reason why I'm going to provide a value so that you can stand out from your competitor, right? So that is very, very important, because when you wanted to sell your ebook, right? So even though your content is very, very powerful, but you really need to have some sort of really compelling cover, right? Just take a look at this e-cover here. So this is like this one over here, this one over here. It's literally doesn't look nice at all. Okay, so like take a look at this one over here. So you need to have some sort of very compelling e-cover in order to attract people to buy from you, right? So even though your e-cover, even though your content are powerful enough, but if your e-cover sucks, so people are going to see it as the whole content is suck as well, right? So I hope it makes sense to you. So that is why I'm going to provide you this bonus, which is I'm going to teach you, I'm going to walk you through the entire process, how to create your own e-cover literally for free as well, right? For example, let's take a look at the team marketing playbook over here. Okay, you just click on the ebook that you want to sell. So just assume that we're going to sell this ebook. So it has the description over here, which is very, very good. But the e-covers suck, right? So I think you agree with me. So just head over to myecovermaker.com, right? So this is the free tools for you to create your e-cover, a very compelling e-cover. So I'm going to log in with Facebook. Just click on the Facebook and then go to the account page. So this is my e-cover maker dashboard. So I can literally make my e-cover over here. So let's click on e-cover maker here. So let's take a look what type of e-cover that they're going to provide us. So So they have a lot of e-covers here. So of course they have the paid version as well, which is down below here, but this free version, I think it is pretty good already, right? So just take a look at if you want to sell a video, you can use this one, and if you want to sell an ebook, you can use this one, either this one or three of these. Okay, so this is particularly for software and everything, right? So if you want to have a more compelling e-cover, you could also buy and purchase from all these e-cover that are available over here. But I think the free version is already enough, right? So because we don't want to invest any dime, because we wanted to make money online literally for free. So what you're going to do next is just click on this e-cover. For example, I wanted to have this e-cover here. So now we need to have some sort of compelling. So let's take a look at the ebook we are about to sell, Dirty Marketing Playbooks. So now I wanted to have some sort of picture that related to Dirty Marketing ebook. So what you need to do next now is just head over to Canva, right? So Canva is a very powerful tool. It is an editing software online whereby you can create a very compelling, and you could also get so many design for free over here, right? So I create a new design and click on custom dimensions and head over to my cover bag and take a look at the dimension size over here. Sorry, I think this is not the one. We're going to use this one. Take a look at the size info. So the width is 1160 and the height will be 1329 and create new design. So this would be my new design, new template, and next what I'm going to do is just search for marketing, any images that related to marketing. So I have mine here. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to scale it up, resize it. Okay, so this is just an example. I'm going to distort this picture a bit, right? So I have renamed as a digital Dirty Marketing Playbook, and my name over here. Okay, so now I'm going to download this image and just click download. So head over to the e-cover that you wanted to do, which is this one. Just click on the e-cover, and then I'm going to upload my cover, right? Select image. This is the file. I'm going to click on the image and resize it back. Okay, then just click finalize, and then it's going to render your e-cover. It's just going to take a few seconds. So done, right? So this would be your e-cover for your ebook, and then you can upload it back to Payhip, which is I'm going to walk you through as well, and start to make money. So we're going to download the e-cover. Okay, so next what you need to do is just head over to Payhip back and click on the product. Now we're going to upload everything, which is the files, the the product, the description, and the cover as well. Okay, so add new product over here, add a digital product. So now I'm going to go to PRR Minds. I'm going to download it. You can register, log in, and to download it, or you can also just click like, and it's going to unlock the files. So I'm going to click like. So wait for a few seconds and just simply click the download button. Okay, so this is the marketing ebook. So I'm going to extract the file, click OK, and this is the file. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload the file, which is this one. Click open, upload it, and then I'm going to literally copy everything here. This would be the title, and the description as well. So next is the e-cover. Upload a product image. So the product image should be somewhere here, which is this one. Okay, so the product image is this one. So this is the price. So I highly recommend you to put only below than $10, right? So I'm going to put $9.99 or $7.99 or $8.99. You just put 99 at the back of your price, because it's kind of like a bit sexy. So in psychology, people tend to purchase something that below than, because when people see $8.99, it's, you know, still below than 9 ringgit. That's kind of psychology really trigger people to buy. Okay, so but be sure to put just below than $10, because as you can tell, Payhip has a lot of traffic, so we're going to play the volume game over here. Okay, so we have the file uploaded. This is the title, this is the cover, this is the description, and then just add the product and done. Right, so just want to tell you, this would be your link, and this is the promotional link, so you can start selling. So instead of rely 100% on Payhip, you could also do your own marketing on your own promotion. You can paste the link to your social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, to increase your sales. Right, so let's show me my product page. Click over here, take a look at the product. So this is your product. So you have a very compelling e-cover, and it stands out among other competitor on the PR minds. So this is going to help you to boost your sales as well, right? Yeah, I think that's pretty much it, guys. So I hope you enjoy with this content, and I hope you got some value. Smash the like button, help me to reach more people out there with this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. And I hope you try this method, because this is a literally free method in order to make money online only by uploading files, right? So see you on my next video. Bye bye.